Wow. 4-bedroom condo in Vegas. Holy crap. This is nice, y'all. This is nice. Whoo! Yo. Oh, man. Yo. This is the vibes, yo. Look at that, man. Yeah. It's nice. I like this. Wow. This is beautiful, man. This is super beautiful. You got a desk here. We do a lot here. Oh. This paint work. This is nice. It's just that area alone looks good, man. Let's push this in. I just can't get over this. This is nice. Wow, this is the bedroom. You got a whole closet right there. Look at that. Oh, the jacuzzi. Listen, you can get real comfortable in here. You can get real comfortable. Greetings. Tub. This hotel loves jacuzzis, huh? And then you come here. Oh man, you just feel like you're on top of the world, literally. Wow. Okay, so another desk, and look at the other room right there. Look at that. Living room, it's nice. Alright, let's check the bathroom out. What is this thing? It's a clock. What does this thing do? Don't judge me if I don't know. Looks pretty weird. Oh, nice. Again with the bathroom, the shower. 2 toilets this time. Wow. No, this is a bidet, I think. I've never seen one like that. What's this? Nice little. Oh, that was a shower. No, it's not. I don't know what you could do in here. Maybe hang up your robe or something. Nice. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Look at that. Nice little dinner table for the family, for friends. Oh, it's another room. Guys, we're getting a tour of this. That's how I have access. Wow, another shower. Is this open? Okay. The fact that this is huge, so much space, like wow. The bathroom. I like the sliding door effect here. I would say this is just a regular room, but hey, enough space to still have a nice window view. Oh, look down there. That must be a really nice hotel. But anyway, we're here at the the Hilton. But yeah, a nice room. Nice, still very nice. I think this is not a 4-bedroom. It's a closet. Wow. It's nice. And then another room? I'm getting shocked because I'm not. This is nice. And a bathroom. Each room has their own bathroom. Oh, you could tell this is just regular though, but you could still lay in it. Nice. You could really bring your family here. Yo, you have a sink? A whole sink in here. And this is a nice shape. It reminds me of like van life people with this size sink. Microwave. Nice spacious room. Desk again. This is nice. Now this is really nice. You know what I'm saying? Woohoo! Yo, I'm seeing so many different things here. Look at that view. Wow. Vegas is beautiful. You know, it's nice. To live, I don't know. But to visit, just come to this hotel. I'll tell you that. It's a bathroom, another closet. Okay, so here is, I guess, the last room. A nice bathroom again. Toilets there. Sink. Bathtub. Another room. Looks really nice. Is this a different part of it? Yo, I'm getting shocked. This is just amazing. A 4-bedroom condo. I think that's what it is. A 4-bedroom condo. Nice. I love the kitchen. I love the hotels with kitchens. You know, because in case you don't want to buy fast food every day, you want to cook your meals, you have places to put your stuff. You have a fridge, you have a dishwasher, like the simple things, you know what I mean? Places to put forks, even if you would like to live, well, this is a condo, so